Ebusa for me more kwaba mesero so comment page ni adama so ma say na me app bi anso na on sa ebit na ka media ni CK. Ebusa for from the beginning of this year you come shareholder Ghana so for the better bunting income share company in Nigeria efa Ghana. Most of this income share buy and were doom prophecies. Now most of these doom prophecies we be the crop with the kind see that by elections are omokan here market and even world war. And to kwa amafo chirem say Donald Trump any Iran ebe kunya no say come say we nyina abebi hu ni say yam come say but on the other side no so no bi so hu ni say yam come say because asofo ne be kan no ebe to social media e be na etete and now me no kasi aka just 2 days ne Ghana yenya ye 69th Independence Day. Apostle Francis Amoako already the senior pastor of Parliament Chapel akodi nkomo na ne nkomo di okodi e no chem say 69 a prophetic number of attack. This attack will not go to anybody but leaders in Ghana, especially the president of Ghana. And I'm afraid Ebisa say, "Nani chiremu no saying." So from Makwata chiremu say, after this independence attacks ebebano, ye won kofu bi ohonoma ye tusu omo say ombe ye kendi for omeimo na some kofu na attacks.
Good morning. That's a Fugu Tuesday.
Fugu Tuesday. The Ghana nani home.
Ghana manta.
Ghana manta.
Eti yasuwa somo den. Ano pa bibi aboko.
Bibi aboko. Wachine no usheti ni ya fine pa.
Oh, kama. Omo siye machi. Omo ye menso Ghana manta.
Bibi aboko.
Yami adum ne mompai bo bibi aye boko. But who say video be the number be omo say apostle eka say Iran supreme leader no yebekuno
say no na kai
ai wo say video ne nam sa papa kai ache o na iche se ntokwa no kra ncha ase enti we no enya Ghana ko
13th January
ai 13th January ache ntokwa no kra ho embo kra ana na nsane ne asem no kosiye na we dey say Iran dey we dey na obo wura hye no so sa
serious just we dey prophecy we dey Obama brofun kura shock him because that man they think say he's a supreme.
Yes.
And no say from nowhere
who cry no
don't believe so be
and ya dey say your money so be cry betutu
Dabi now say finish him no kwa no serious serious and just a vima me can say answer am the two way ni so say me catch him say this man he is gone.
Okay, yeah, we video no.
We are getting information from Israeli sources that the Ayatollah is dead.
So many government, so many founders and leaders. We say Ayatollah Iran. Can you so power Iran revolution. We say Ayatollah Iran. Can you so power Wow. Iran regime onyamia purpose afiwe esa regime baby person can tell you running you say omo pro omo mpeu that regime will come to an end
afiwe no
me na me can tell
any share
so pro omo nku e ka what is going to happen onyamia determine.
This is breaking news again coming from Israeli sources that the Ayatollah, the supreme leader of Iran, is dead.
We say Ayatollah Iran opo ni gari bottom afiwe boko omo pro omo mpeu onyamia determine.
Papa asem na ehu
we dey wani gare no po no ko Obama we dey gare no kura wani 13th January
because me ya sure say America for no kura mo be believe
chese omo kura no senti e ya no muntumi en confirm
omo kura believe say ade we
be so mo bisa o say e be sure me ya sure me je mi nyatanya go be kan no na America for njini Ntro mo ya Trump so me sure omo nyini
no
mo nyini me sure say
ade no so asi
na ade no
so sunsun mu da
na onyame God has determined on his head we see Obama enipa mo jakasa Obama say dia
nipa mo jakasa
so onipa bi wo ho asase wa kunye nkrofo mo hwe mo jagua. This man is evil than anybody. Not even Idi Amin.
Yes, 13,000 protesters and 30,000.
And Okunwom. So the blood will speak against you. Look at you, old man. Now you get a command, naturally, the next generation, they massacre them. They massacre them. And it does not have you decided. You can be Superman. Now what about?
And expose you, no?
And expose you, as a matter of fact. As a matter of fact, Nelson Kou last year. Nyamia Yinsa on so last year. Now that man, Jerry is a spiritual man. What is someone Yamasi? What is someone Yamasi? It you or ye. Or that, sir, one more Muslim for no do baby, or to me, Eddie Wonima. No adaneno. Enti last year na omukum ne nkrofo no 12 day war no he's supposed to die. Trump can say be at that time Jerry Trump can say we know where you are but we are not going to kill you now. Trump guy. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, we are not going to kill you now. And I so pompous. Internet you can't get him. There's no way you will get the man. Yeah, I didn't know. No, with him saying Yamia Yinsa or to wait that is something the enemy. Messama for the man was so now with him saying Yamia a free hoko. The American what I say. Obama cancer beer. I have very important. Jerry, maybe cancer my country was up. Because yes, sir. See, faith cannot be transferred.
Yes, sir.
Faith,
it cannot be transferred.
Don't forget, say, a fee a Friday. Na Ghana 69 years. It's a year by this time you're quite
70.
Prophetically, to Ghana and Yibiantia dear way because we have a banner by your Ghana and Yibiantin ye a Ghana and Yibia Ghana and Yibiada. Our bow count. Some make up our papa. The choosing ones. Obama said there.
The choosing ones.
I saw me back the choosing ones, including your man Panicam. And not on a Sunday, me can't assembly say, even ne Oshia, ne noun for or my other nation president in Okrana, woman is not this year. Obama said there.
Not this year.
Obama said there.
Not this year.
Yeah, not this year. Because number 69, prophetically, it is the number of hatred. Unmelted hatred. Yes. Jerry, the attack on your life wouldn't mean so rampant this year because of Ghana and Libya. We are choosing once and you are under attack. Believe it or not. And now watch it. Say I'm watching. Young Psalm 69. David actually Jesus.
Okay. Psalm 69 verse 4.
1 to 4.
Okay, 1 to 4. Okay. Osi onyankopon jeme nkwa na ensuo edru mekra ho.
What?
Mato amana kronkron a tachewo mu agina bia enimu.
What ye?
Maduru ebunu a ensuo bukata me so emu.
What?
Me sofre ama mabre.
What?
Na me minimu awe.
What?
Mahwe onyankopon kwan ama mani abu.
What?
Wana wota me kwa edoso sene mitiri so nwi.
What ye? Ajadu was it there?
1 hour time in a dose to James.
Was it there?
1 hour time.
Oh no, your papa no.
Oh yes.
But not time for
a dose to change it.
The Messiah some no canoe.
Okay.
Them what I say.
Myself for where my town for atro doors.
What was it there? Myself for our say my town for no. Also me there. You become my town for doors to change to me. And or somebody woman was saying me. Almost say me for nothing. Yes, my own you. Any my town for Jerry. You pay sell keke. Engine we no do for once now why you just like maybe I see. About them what I say. And now, sir, one mom, this is the season. Nipabia oye obesode tia person obetu na ne asi so no oye oba oye bema oye bai bonsam
okay
omo contract ni omo season ni Ghana ni bi amfa nche ni tim wo pa fa jai area obetu na ne asi so eja ufi obetu na ne aso so aso na obetu na yeah just like that adansi kurumu nko a for sanga
o se myself a wo ye matamfo atorofo doso
what
na de me mfaye no o se me ndane ma
what
ya onsan nyankan kra
ya onsan nyankan no ni ya force se fabra ya makana what so sister na yeko wura mo no make sure say
ehu
ahumete dem gonna what the time season no we be come on some and na pharaoh e ka kide Moses say da me hu bia mekum it is in the Bible phenomenon ko
yeah
no se me hu a mekum na Moses it's okay dan deal remember because the boy fu wan se hu a mekum obi pa wa se o keke onya no hwi o they are making what I said. So that the because you know how to handle it. They are making what I said. They are making what I said. And your 69th Independent Day. And next year, you call 70. The 69 no more because 70 no one do.
Wow.
Okay.
A 70 what to who free.
70 no one do.
Or how did you know?
This is the time one the attack of the nation. The attack of the leaders, the attack of the choosing one in that country, in that people, no. Them can what I say. A basa season, no. Season, no. Heat in another dinner.
Okay.
Because of a crossover.
Because a crossover. And you be no.
One way so Obeka.
Well. But Satan no na unkwaje soba. Dem gonna what I say. Now you go.
Okay. Exodus chapter 12 verse 1 and 2 no. Was na Rade catch Moses.
Rade catch Moses.
Any Aaron.
E
wo Misraim asase so say. Monfa bosumi enye abosumiti.
Oba o say den.
Monfa bosumi enye abosumiti. Brofone say and the Lord said to Moses and Aaron in the land of Egypt, this month.
O say den.
This month.
O say den.
This month.
Oba o say den.
This month.
O say den.
This month.
On chapter 13 verse 4.
Okay, 13 verses 4. Or say another day. Another day. Bosome Abib. And a move free. Brofone say today is the month of Abib. You are going out.
The word Abib. March and April.
Okay.
Enti now. I'm not going to tell you. Obama. Unim said Moses. You won 7th Abib. 7th March. Oh yeah. There was Moses 7th March.
Wow.
Yeah. Hebrew
7th March.
So yeah, you Moses. And you be a metata and say, "Come Nkrumah, Papa we or chain prophet." Yeah, then now your independence Jerry or the 6th March. One picky in the adamant. No pity or picky March. Because Samantinum and Nyame Emma or Manya. We are seeing now Omdi Kenya independent Jerry. Omufrim. Entino. Now watch this.
I'm watching.
A Samanti way. Enna Yawu Mose.
Okay.
Samanti way. And Omani free Egypt.
Yes, sir.
Sir, the same manti way. Enna your Jew for Ekum Heyman.
Wow. Okay.
March.
Yeah, the same 3rd March. Say a 3rd month.
Yes, sir.
The same 3rd month.
Yeah.
And a Jew for Ekum. The same 3rd month. Obama. And the Nyame Ekum Pharaoh and the soldier for at the same 3rd month.
The 3rd month.
The 3rd month. And Yemen one more said, Kwame Nkrumah choose in the other month. No choose this month for our independence. Now first say with him say this sub-Sahara region, the only country, Kenya independent country by Ghana. In the history of mankind, Kentra and yet Kenya independent from slavery and Israel. They got it on the march and Kwame Nkrumah in painful choose. much. And to see do sa bosom we ya. I was a gun of war. It is so prophetic. And then position ourselves. Them come right. I was a gun and maybe I did say it to say I was saying it to me or G.
Yes.
Where are your G month? Where your dear bosom? Where dear bosom? Me say a dear bosom. Kasa me G bosom.
Me G bosom.
Kasa me Jimmy home. I was a bosom. Kasa sa bosom. Me dem home. Me sa dem home. And you come awia ye baba be awia obi biada obi biada na busuam enti sewa wom atwide wom cancer ewom obi biada ne ba enya attack shaya wia na memo akwankyere enne
Attack.
Yeah.
All forms
of attack.
Okay.
Obi woda wo so da bon. Obi abeso da na kwakwa da bi na mwa edi wachi. Shaya wi na mo akwankere. Dem gana mati ase because enne the Trinity gateway portal.
Okay.
The third day of the third month.
Yes.
Eno dan chenya enne full moon. I don't talk about moon. Sure. So but when the moon become a prophetic.
Okay.
Them gonna what I say. And you know, other nation, America for me says here, America and and the betchu China and Madachi. Ombe who say Bosomano, I say Moja. And your full moon a blood moon.
Okay.
And it is in the Bible. Now, anytime the entire New Zealand say Ombehuno somewhere 5 something. Now, America, baby, Benya 3:30, baby Benya 4:30, baby Benya 5:30, all the way to 6:30. According to their state. Ombe Sodan no Panigeri, now Bosumine da what is Moja.
Wow.
Kakira koko. That is the blood moon, according to Bible. This is the season of incantation. This is the season of arresting the soul. Somebody way and your chin nipakra. Somebody way and your tone nipakra. Somebody way and your toya diamond nipa. Sad season way and your pred nipa. And Abusu be a nipa be a quadabia, Trida one sono. This time, send one gen on na. One man problem. I might talk to the representative until we will come and continue. The influence here, the insurance, so you're gonna. If you are nequisi fiada. Position yourself.
Position yourself.
Apart from that, this the whole year, get yourself ready, say. Oba, obi betu na yes you so.
69 or no.
Obi betu na yes you so.
I say about with hatred.
Obi betu wo keke. Ah, wonya ne hwe. Dem kan what you say. Abaibon samfo bedan te say nkraman no mu omu pomgu so. What I say? Because that it is. But so wow, get yourself ready. You break through because you're beyond a better no.
To be fighting, yeah.
It's a choosing people. The American what I say?
Choosing people.
Me say there. Na me for we try to man na me Obama. A whole year no obi function it me say we are choosing person. Who do obi say na chia we ni so. Obahwe no must answer kwase. I am telling you. As I'm making, we don't be busy. It's 3 years by this time.
The one
funny say what you see what you have or here when you want. You be what I'm gonna say that 1 year here, man. What I say, only because now the one of Pharaoh, a most and Munyama no minimum. Una who's in Yamia. Say minimum. The American what I say. So let's get ourselves prepared. And Yamiadum, this anti when we say Obama, Temo Mose, Equajis Rano, a Yaquancheron, all the 10 prejudice was a 10 direction. 20 Friday, Friday up 4 up to 6. Yes, yeah, I was on demo.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, 2 din independent morning. Independent morning. Me say there.
Independent morning.
Me say there.
Independent
Sunday there. Me say there.
Independent morning.
Enti o ba pe powder. Me say o buy there.
Pe powder.
Ba bia wo bia da pe powder ni bi kura. Yam kana mati ase. Na yan kasa nguso na yan hu nko wiem. Na chiro de ode ba ye. So that Obama we take the atmosphere. Ye pese di kan ni ye ne bomb pa ye mo man no ene ye president. Ansa na wako.
Yes.
Akwa kujina ho. Dem kan what I say. Na osuru be kasa. Na onyame ebe hye no wani onyame.
So when information ya papa Apostle Francis Tambakwata Eda bata monte Ghana for di wu komo say could this one also be a doom prophecy? How the Mayem and Penny John Mahama now? Because at the beginning of this year, El come sheba no very interesting. It will 2 months for airport Ghana and Penny for anyhow Musu say Boni be ever to Penny Fubi Ebusia. Comment section ya odia. Jaw comment na me new house pa GSM na fe won so no subscribe my page ni me adamano so na me upload ya so na won sa ebetu naka. Makram.